Hey garden lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special for you. 10 genius gardening ideas you've probably never seen before, and there's a twist. Each idea comes with a unique spin from us that'll take your gardening game to the next level. So grab your tools, grab a notebook, and let's get planting. First up, a clever self-watering system using wine bottles. You might have seen wine bottles used in gardening, but here's the twist. Instead of just sticking the bottle upside down, we're adding a slow-release water gel inside the bottle before filling it with water. This gel slowly dissolves, making sure your plants get moisture even during the hottest days. Perfect for vacation watering. Next, we're going vertical with strawberries. We're not just using hanging baskets here. We're transforming an old pallet into a strawberry tower. The twist? Each layer of this tower has a hidden drip irrigation system built from recycled plastic tubes. Your strawberries get watered evenly, and you don't have to worry about dry spots. This trick keeps your berries fresh and juicy all season long. Everyone loves the upside-down tomato planters, right? But wait, we're adding our special twist. Inside this planter, we've created a compost core. As your tomatoes grow, the core breaks down organic kitchen waste and releases nutrients directly to the plant roots. You get healthier, faster-growing tomatoes in a built-in fertilizer system. It's like magic. Cut 2, Idea 4, Banana Peel, Fertilizer Pouches. Host. Banana peels are great for plants, but here's a new way to use them. Instead of just tossing peels into your compost, we've created banana peel pouches. Stuff banana peels into small burlap bags and bury them around your plants. The twist? These pouches slowly break down, releasing potassium over time and improving soil structure. Plus, they're easy to move around when your plants need an extra boost. Cut 2, Idea 5, DIY Hydroponic Lettuce Wall. Host. This one's for the hydroponics fans. We've turned a simple wooden frame into a hydroponic lettuce wall. Here's the twist. Instead of fancy pumps, we use a gravity-fed system with upcycled bottles. The water trickles down from top to bottom, feeding every plant on the wall. It's low-tech, low-cost, and totally effective. Perfect for small spaces or indoor gardening. Cut 2, Idea 6, Tire Potato Tower with a twist. Host. Tire gardens are great for growing potatoes, but we've added a twist. Instead of stacking the tires and filling them with soil, we're mixing compost with straw between the layers. This creates an airy environment that encourages root growth, resulting in a massive harvest with minimal effort. Plus, the straw keeps the soil moist and cool, ideal for growing in warm climates. Cut 2, Idea 7, Herb Spiral with built-in irrigation. Host. Next to a beautiful herb spiral. Herb spirals are awesome for maximizing space, but watering them can be tricky. Here's our unique solution. A hidden irrigation pipe running through the center of the spiral. The pipe is punctured at different levels, ensuring water reaches every tier of herbs without over-soaking them. It's a game changer for keeping your herbs thriving, especially during dry spells. Cut 2, Idea 8, Watermelon Hammocks. Host. Have you ever tried growing watermelons vertically? Well, here's the twist. We're making watermelon hammocks. As your melons grow, they need support. So, we're using old t-shirts and turning them into little slings to cradle the watermelons and prevent them from falling off the vine. It's an eco-friendly, fun way to make sure your melons grow big and strong. Cut 2, Idea 9, Carrot Paper Towel Seed Tape. Host. Planting carrots can be tedious, but not anymore. Here's a genius trick using paper towels. Spread your carrot seeds on a strip of paper towel, cover them with flour paste, and roll it up. The twist? Pre-soak the paper towel in a nutrient solution before planting. The seeds will sprout in record time and the paper will biodegrade as your carrots grow. Perfect for even seed spacing too. Cut 2, Idea 10, Solar-Powered Garden Lights with a twist. Host. Finally, let's talk about solar-powered garden lights. But we're not just adding any lights. These ones double as plant heaters. Our twist is to use these lights with small heating elements attached to the base, providing warmth to sensitive plants during cooler nights. It's an energy-efficient way to extend your growing season and keep plants happy when the temperature drops. Outrow Host in the middle of the garden. Host. And there you have it, 10 genius gardening ideas with a twist from us. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to try them in your garden. Let us know which idea you'll be testing out first in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more creative gardening hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.